Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to add the NGL link to our Facebook app. NGL, or Not Gonna Like, it's a new app that is going to allow you to receive anonymous messages or reviews from your followers. It is linked to Instagram, so when you get into the NGL app, this is gonna ask you your Instagram username. Then when the app has recognized you, you can select different options like confessions or raise me or whatever it is, whatever do you want. By now I'm going to select send anonymous messages and I'm going to copy the link here, and now I have the link. What I have to do now is go to my Facebook, click on the three horizontal lines on top, and go to my profile here. Here I have the option to edit my profile next to the blue button. This is a great button. And if I scroll down a little, I have the opportunity to get to links at the end of the screen. Now I'm gonna add a link, perhaps add a social link or a website. By now I'm going to make it like website because this is not an Instagram or TikTok. So add website, and here I'm going to paste the link. And that's it. When you go to your profile, I'm going to save changes before going backwards. You're going to see in details the link of NGL.